It's pretty cool how your gaming PC can be used to earn crypto. You could be earning crypto right now, while you sleep, while you're at school, while you're doing literally nothing at all. Today, I'm showing you how to mine render and earn render tokens and turn your idle GPU into a crypto earning machine. No technical degree required. Let's check it out. Welcome back to Deciphering Crypto. I'm Shay, and we make crypto, blockchain, and AI simple for everyone. Today, we're talking about one of the coolest ways to earn crypto by helping artists render 3D graphics. And before you click away thinking this is too complicated, stick with me. If you can install a video game, you can do this. Plus, I'll show you the exact steps to get started, how much you can actually earn, and one mistake that'll waste your time. Okay, quick explanation. What is the render network? Think of it like Airbnb, but for your GPU. Here's the deal. On one side, digital artists, game devs, animators, they need massive computing power to render 3D graphics. We're talking days or weeks on a single computer. On the other side, you, with a gaming PC that sits idle most of the day. In the middle, render network. It connects these two people using blockchain and the render token. Here's a better way to think about it. Imagine you need to bake 1,000 cookies, but you only have one oven. That's gonna take forever, right? But what if you could borrow 100 ovens from neighbors and everyone bakes 10 cookies at once? Boom, done in a minute instead of days. That's what render does with GPUs. Your computer becomes one of those 100 ovens and you get paid in render tokens for helping out. So when we say mining render, we don't mean solving random math puzzles like Bitcoin. We mean your GPU does actual useful work, rendering real 3D projects for real creators, and you earn crypto for it. It really is pretty cool. Quick note on the token itself. Render is the cryptocurrency that makes this work. Think of it like arcade tickets. Creators spend render to pay for rendering. You earn render by completing jobs, and you can trade render for real money on crypto exchanges. Originally on Ethereum, now they've moved to Solana, which just means faster payments and lower fees. That's it. That's all you need to know. All right, in reality, can your PC actually do this? Let's check out. GPU. You'll need at least an NVIDIA RTX 3050 or better. An RTX 3050 runs about $215 right now to start. Got a 3060, 3070, 40 series? Perfect. An NVIDIA GPU is required. AMD isn't supported for render node work right now. RAM, 16 gigabytes minimum. 32 gigabytes is sweet, more is better, but don't stress if you're at 16. Storage. Have at least 100 gigabytes free. Jobs download scene files to your drive. Internet needs to be solid. Think 100 megabytes download and 75 upload. You're transferring big 3D files. Cooling. This is key. Rendering pushes your GPU hard, like running a heavy game for hours. Make sure your PC doesn't sound like a jet engine about to explode. Aim to keep your GPU under manufacturer recommended temps, clean dust filters, and ensure good airflow. Bottom line, if your PC can run modern games smoothly, you're probably good to go. Okay, here's where we get into it. The actual steps to start earning render. And it really is pretty easy. Step 1, sign up. First, go to the official Render Network website and apply to become a node operator. They'll ask you about your hardware. Be honest. GPU model, RAM, internet speed, all of that. Now here's the catch. There's usually a wait list. Could be weeks or months. Don't let that discourage you. Apply now and you'll get in eventually. Don't buy new hardware just for this. Start with what you have, then reassess. Step 2, get approved and download client. Once approved, they'll email you with a download link for the Render Network client software. Download it, install it. Easy. The Node app runs on Windows and Linux. Some people prefer Linux or Docker. Just follow the official onboarding email. Step 3, set up your wallet. Here's where some beginners get stuck. You need a crypto wallet to receive payments. You need a Solana wallet to get paid. I recommend Phantom. Create it, back up your phrase, open the render client, paste your wallet address when it asks. Double check it's correct, then triple check it's correct. This is where your money goes. Then there's step 4, benchmark. The client will run a benchmark test, basically checking how fast your GPU is. Your PC will work hard for a few minutes. This is normal. Let it finish. Step 5, start earning. Congrats, you're mining. Well, sort of. Now your client sits in the waiting for jobs mode. When a render job matches your hardware, bam, your PC automatically downloads the project and starts working. You'll see your GPU usage spike, fans kick on, it's rendering. Once done, it uploads the result. The creator approves it within 24 to 48 hours, then you get paid in render. Now, payouts aren't instant. They're batched on regular schedule. You'll see render hit your wallet after jobs are approved. Be patient, it can be up to a couple of weeks. Let's talk reality for a second. The good. You can earn passive income. Your PC does work while you sleep, and you get paid in crypto that has real value. You're helping real artists make real projects. That's genuinely cool. The not so good. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Earnings depend on how powerful your GPU is, how many jobs are available, the current price of render, your electricity costs. Some weeks you'll get tons of jobs, some weeks nothing. New tech like this is inconsistent. Also, and this is important, your electricity bill will go up. Rendering uses power. If your parents pay the bill, talk to them first. Do the math. Will you earn more in render than you spend in electricity? But here's the thing, even if earnings are modest, you're learning about blockchain, crypto networks, and distributed computing. You're participating in something bigger, and your PC is doing useful work instead of just sitting there. Speaking of crypto earnings, once you've got render tokens, you'll probably want to trade them or cash them out eventually. That's where Caleb & Brown comes in. They're a crypto brokerage that gives you a real person to help with trades. Super helpful if you're new to this. I've got a referral link in the description. If you use it, you'll get their awesome service and you'll be supporting the channel. It's a win-win. You should check them out. All right, before we wrap it up, 3 quick tips. 1, don't run heavy games while rendering. Your GPU can't do both well. 2, keep your drivers updated. Outdated drivers equal slower renders, which equals less money. 3, monitor your temps. If your PC is constantly overheating, you'll damage your hardware. Use MSI Afterburner or HW Monitor. And the one mistake to avoid, don't use shady third-party clients. Only download software from the official Render Network site. Scammers are everywhere in crypto. If an app asks for your wallet seed phrase, it is a scam. So there you have it, everything you need to start mining render with your gaming PC. To recap, sign up as a node operator, get approved and download the client, set up your crypto wallet, run the benchmark, let your PC work and earn. It's not complicated, it's not a scam, it's just a cool way to put your hardware to work. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly crypto guides, and drop a comment below. Are you going to try this out? What GPU do you have? Let me know. Links to everything, the Render Network, wallet guides, and that Caleb & Brown referral link are all in the description below. One last thing, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, but if you're curious about crypto and you've got a gaming PC sitting around, this is honestly one of the coolest entry points. Thanks for watching and happy rendering.